For all the residential feng shui, actually our master bedroom is the most important. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to set up our feng shui in our bedroom for this number 9 in charge period. The number 9 in charge period, which is from 2024 and up to 2044. So in this 20 year, there will be something different, and especially for our bedroom. And we know that for all the residential feng shui, actually our master bedroom is the most important. The reason is so simple, because we sleep like 8 hours a day, so you can imagine like that. 1/3 of our time we spend on the bed. If let's say if our master bedroom, the feng shui is good, it's no problem, excellent, then you don't need to do anything. Every single night you just lay down to your bed, 1/3 of your life will be enhanced by this good feng shui setting. Okay. On the other hand, if let's say if your master bedroom, the feng shui is horrible, there's something wrong. So 1/3 of your life is affected by this bad feng shui energy. So the impact is so serious. So that's why we're concerned about our master bedroom, how to set up a good feng shui setting. And in this number 9 in charge period, which is from 2024 and up to 2044, which is the number 9 in charge. And the south is, we call the 精神房, is actually the best location. So if let's say, if your master bedroom is located in the south part of your home, that is excellent for your overall feng shui setting, because you sleep in this lucky corner 8 hours a day. So 1/3 of your life will be affected by this good feng shui energy. That will be good. And in this number 9 in charge period, the most bad luck energy point, which is the northeast location, because the northeast is belong to the number 8, and right now is number 9. So the trend is gone. The number 8, which is from 2004 and up to 2024, which is the previous one, right now is number 9. So the northeast seems to be really not lucky in this period. So if possible, you can move to the south. That will be good for the overall feng shui setting. Okay, the number 2. The number 2 is same as our normal feng shui setting. We concern about, we call the 4 ancient animal, which is the best support, the left dragon, the white tiger, the front phoenix. Just like our office chair, we sit here, we have a best support, we have 2 arms, left and right, and then the front is the front phoenix. So with this 4 ancient animal, 4 different directions, which is protecting us. So for this number 2, which is also really important, which is for our master bedroom, we need to have some support. We need to have a bad support. The most easier thing to do that is for our master bedroom, the bed, we need to have a headboard. A nice one, a bigger one, bulky one, soft one, that will create some support. Just similar to our office chair, we need to have a support for our office chair, so we can sit here more comfortable. Then we can do our job, and then we can enjoy our work. If let's say if we sit here without the best support, you can't sit here comfortable. You will feel tired, maybe some painful. It's similar to your bed. So for our bed, we need to have a headboard, which is the most important. And also over the headboard, the best idea is, which is a solid wall at the back that can serve as a support to us. If let's say if the bed is a window, then the support is not really strong, there's something wrong. Or over behind the wall there's a bathroom, then that would be not really good, because there would be some dirty energy affecting us. Or behind the wall there's some like a really active pathway, or even some traffic on the road, and then it's at the back, then it will create unnecessary movement, and then create some unnecessary disturbance to our bed. Then also not a really good one, which is similar to the case I find in Hong Kong. At that time I'm in Hong Kong and help my client to feng shui their master bedroom, and I find out that why they feel headache, they don't feel really good when they sleep. The reason is behind the wall is the escalator. So you can see that the escalator is a steel and it's moving up and down all the time. So if behind the wall there's an escalator, the electromagnetic wave, they just change too much. So it definitely affect our overall Feng Shui setting. So at the back, we need to have a back support, and the most ideal case, which is there's like a quiet, easier situation for the back, that would be good. Okay, for the number 3 is same as our chair. We need to have arms, the left and right, which is serving the left and right protection, similar to our bed. So for our bed, it better located in the commanding position. So both you and your spouse can access to the bed, and on the sideway, you have like a nightstand, which can serve as the left and right arms to protect your bed. That will create more balanced energy. Okay, number 4. For the number 4 is we need to have a bench at the end of the bed, just serving as some protection. You create some like protection energy to the overall bedding area, and also with like a soft bench, then you can sit there and then you can enjoy your life, and then you can have maybe a small chat with your spouse, then which is really good because you have a more flexible in your bed. Okay, the number 5. The number 5 is when we open our bedroom door, we don't want to see our bed in front of us, which means the bed and then the door, they're in the same line. Just like the tea session, when we open the door, we see a row because the energy is hitting our door. That will be not really good. It's as similar as our master bedroom. When we open our master bedroom door, we see the bed in front of us. The energy, the pathway is hitting the bed. So in nowadays terms, which is the privacy, there's some privacy issue, and then there will be some like unexpected disturbance to the bed, so it's not really good. So when you open the door, the bed is in front of you. Maybe you can relocate the bed, so you will create like a hidden privacy environment for your bedding area. That will be good. Okay, the number 6. The number 6 is on top of our bed. We don't want those like a overhead bin that create unnecessary to our bed, or some bulky fans, bulky lighting, which is on top of our bed and create some unexpected pressure to our bed. So this is what we want to avoid. Okay, the number 7. The number 7 is from time to time we need to clean up our room to reorganize it, to make it clean and clear. There's some experience for my client. So sometimes when some of my clients, they feel bad luck, so I will just ask them, hey, maybe you can just clean up your room, clean up your house, make it organized. Maybe something good will happen. So every time they listen to my advice, they do that, hey, that will be something good, because that will change the energy. So when you feel bad luck or not smooth, maybe it's a good idea for you to clean up your room, to pick up the trash, to reorganize it. The good luck energy will come to you, which is so like a reasonable, because you just reorganize it, you just remove those like a bad luck energy, trash, stinky clothes, you remove that, then the good energy will start accumulating and helping you. Okay, the number 8. The number 8, which is for our master bedroom, which is good idea for us to use some like a soft material, warm material, let's say steel, let's say aluminum, marble rock. We try to avoid them, to minimize to use them, because those materials are cold. But on the other hand, if let's say we use some like a fabric, wood material for our bedroom, that will be good, because there will be more warm energy over there. And for the overall decoration, which is good to keep it like a clean and clear and simple, not too colorful, not too bright. Use some soft like a color, that will be good. And also number 9, for the lighting in our master bedroom, if we can adjust the lighting, that will create more feasible to us. Let's say if you want to talk to your spouse, have some serious talking, you can turn on the lights a little bit, then that will be help you to focus on your conversation. But let's say if you want to have some romantic situation with your spouse, you can dim the lights a little bit and create some like a romantic atmosphere, and then that will be good for all of you. Okay, the number 10. The number 10, which is we try to avoid or minimize the electronic appliance in our master bedroom. Let's say the laptop, the iPad. Maybe it's not really good idea to locate it in our master bedroom because that will affect our sleep. And also for our headboard area, we try to not putting too much like electronic stuff. Let's say iPhone chargers or your Apple Watch, whatever, which is not really good to close to your headboard area, because that will create some like an unexpected electromagnetic wave and disturbance to you. So we want to try to minimize it. Okay, 11, which is the mirror. Mirror is so important, but we want to avoid the mirror reflecting the image of our bed, because that will create some unexpected disturbance when we sleep. So if we have some mirror, maybe we can relocate it. At least make sure that the mirror is not reflecting the image of the bed. That would be good. Okay, the last one, the 12, which is the religion practice. Some people, they will try to put the religion in their master bedroom. Let's say there are some Buddha statue in their master bedroom. Having a religion is really good, but you know that if you put the religion in your master bedroom, there may be some conflict from time to time, because let's say if you have some intimacy with your spouse and then the religion stuff is here, there will be some like something against them, so it's not really good. So you can practice your religion in your like a private room, but not your master bedroom. That would be good. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.